In today's video, I'll show you how you can adjust the bass in FxSound. So let's get started. So here we are in FxSound, and once you have opened the app, just like this one, you want to navigate here on the top left, wherein you can see the preset. So by using these presets, we will get a bass line. So if you are going for bass, then I suggest going for bass boost or music right here. So these are the two that I recommend. I recommend bass boost the most, so you can choose which one you want right here. I'm gonna go for bass boost, and from here the options will now be automatically adjusted for us based on our preset. And in here, notice that we have the bass boost slider. Now you can test it out. If it sounds good already for you, then you can just go with this default values. But if it's still lacking in a bass for your taste, then you can always drag the slider to the right to increase the bass. So that is the bass boost. And now, if you notice that there may be some rattle in the speaker, headphones, or whatever it is that you're using, then you can always navigate to the 60 to 120 hertz right here. So this is in the range of 60 to 120, which is 98 hertz. So this is inside that range. So you want to adjust this. So you would want to reduce the gain right here. So you can make this lower just like that, just a tad bit, because we are already using a preset, or you could just adjust that according to your preferences. And yeah, this is basically it on how you can adjust bass in FxSound.